Hey everyone! We all are aware of the fact that Microsoft products and services are a vital aspect of the technology firm and corporate organizations all around the world. As a result, demand for people proficient in .NET, Azure, Visual Studio, MS Project, and other areas have increased significantly. Therefore, Microsoft offers certifications to confirm professional skills and help them build their competence in using these products and services. And Azure Fundamentals is one such certification that is one of the best options if you're looking to advance your IT career. But the question is, how to prepare for such a certification? Well, considering this situation of need, our organization has brought you an Azure Fundamentals Exam Preparation Skillup course. This Skillup course will help you enhance your knowledge of Azure and its services. Now, you must be wondering what this Skillup course is about. So let me give you a quick overview of what you're going to explore in this course. First, you will come across the basics of Azure, followed by a detailed description of its provided services for your better and in-depth knowledge. Then, it will cover the availability zones of Azure, and at last, its factor affecting cost according to your requirements. Then you will also come across some situation-based questions and answers that will help you build your foundation for the certification. And all this you will get for free. Yes, you heard it right. It's free of cost. So by the end of this course, you'll know how to use Azure Services and implement them. So if you're wondering about the eligibility or prerequisites, let me tell you, you should have the basic knowledge of technology concepts, including networking, storage, compute, application support, and application development, so that you could proceed with this course in a more thorough way. The course comprises of 4 hours of self-paced video lessons created by mentors with vast experience in the field. They are aware of the needs of different learners and have designed the course to be easy to learn. Apart from this, the Skillup course will give you free access to its self-paced lesson for 90 days. This means you can access its lessons anytime you want. All you need to do is log into Simplilearn.com and register for the Azure Fundamentals AZ-900 Exam Preparation Skillup course. And there you go. Now you can have all the knowledge of Azure Fundamentals revolving around you. Get certified with Simplilearn today and boost your resume.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.